Hello, welcome. Today we are touring this stunning 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Orchid Road. Now this house comes with a building approval, a governor's consent, and also it has a swimming pool. Now the kitchen is fully fitted, guys. If you are coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a second to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this property. And you know I'm going to do it. I'm going to flip the camera and I'll show you this property. Okay, so welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are touring this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Comes with a swimming pool and has a governor's consent as a title, and the building approval is available. Okay, so before I go in and show you the compound space, let me show you the environment, because you know I like showing you the environment so you see your neighbors, see the neighborhood of where you're getting your next property. Okay, so you've seen how secured and serene it is. The road is paved, interlocked, leads you to your property. Okay, so right here, see it has an ample car park area. You can park 3-4 cars. Yeah, sure, you can park 4 cars here. It's quite spacious. Okay, so before I go inside, let me quickly show you around the compound space for you to have a view of how the compound space looks like. Show you the swimming pool area then before I show you the interior of this house. Okay, so it has an electric fence for security to take out the space between the main building and the fence. Have room to move. 2 people can even walk past this place comfortably. Okay, so this brings us to the pool area. So this is the swimming pool. Okay, so this is the swimming pool area. It's coming with water fountain. You see that over there, so that's where water fountain, but it's not on yet, so that's how it's so it's quite a sizable swimming pool. Not that big, but it's not that small also. Okay, so people might be wondering, why must you even put pool? For me, I just feel swimming pool adds value to the house. It's, especially if you have a functional one. Someone like me, I like swimming pool, just to relax. Okay, so right here you have your water treatments. Right, you have your pumping machine, you have your water treatment machine. Okay, so this door leads you right back into the building. This leads you to the kitchen, but not to worry, I'm going to go inside and I'll show you the kitchen properly. So okay, so yeah, let's check out the finishing screening on this building. Very neat. You have your light here. Okay, so before I go, you have your tap over there. Let me go back so you can see. You have the tap here. So once you come out of your kitchen, you have a tap here. Once the water inside the kitchen is no longer running, you can come out here and fetch water and get water for the kitchen. So it's close to the kitchen entrance, the back door to the kitchen entrance for convenience. Okay, so love these tiles, beautiful. Okay, so you have a tap right here. case you want to wash your car. It's quite convenient for you to just put in your hose and you wash the car. So this is the compound space. You see, it's very spacious. Love this beautiful nice architectural design, quite contemporary. Okay, so let's head inside the building so you can see the interior of this house. You have your stair here. You also have your security door. It's quite large. Okay, security door comes with a biometric key or biometric control to the door. Okay, so stepping in, you have your visitors room by this side. So this is your visitors room. Check out this lovely POP design. So you have your window here and see the compound. So this right here is your visitors room. It's quite spacious. And also you have your wardrobe here. Okay, so this is the bathroom. And your WC, your washing hand basin, your nice faucet like this, beautiful. So this is your shower area. Okay, so let's head to the living area. Okay, so this is the living area. So but before I go in, let me quickly show you the visitors toilet. So this is the visitors toilet. You have your suspended WC, high ceiling, beautiful washing hand bowl, nice faucet. Have your cabinet down there. And your clean and neat tiles, lovely work. Okay, so this is our living room area. So living room comes with this beautiful TV console. It's quite spacious. So you have this window right here. You have another one right there. Comes with this beautiful light. Nice TV console. Also has this beautiful lighting right here. Very pretty. Okay. So over here leads you to the kitchen. You can use this place for your dining area. So this is your dining area. It has this see-through window. You can see the pool area from here. Okay, so this is your kitchen. It's a fully fitted kitchen. Comes with this lots and lots of cabinets. So you have glass door cabinet, see-through. You have the wooden door cabinet. Comes with a microwave, an oven, a gas burner, and a heat electric cooker in the middle. So it comes with a heat extractor, lots and lots of cabinets. Check out the POP lighting. On. As you can see the POP lighting. So this is our kitchen island. Beautiful design. It has this sliding by the side. So check out the tiles, lovely. So this is the space for your refrigerator. I think so. Yeah, this should be the space for your refrigerator. So once you get your refrigerator, this is where you install it. This is where you put it. Okay. So this door leads you to the compound space, outside the compound space. Remember I showed you this door. So this is an exit from the kitchen to the compound space. So you have a double sink, lovely retractable faucet. You can retract it to any angle you want. So we're done with the kitchen. Let's head upstairs, climb upstairs. Okay, so staircase comes with this glass handrail, lovely design. This is beautiful suspended step. Okay, so once you climb the step up, you will see this beautiful lighting right here. Beautiful. Have a window at this side, to illuminate the area, and right here it's your family lounge. So you have this window over there. This is where you put your TV. TV will be by this side. You can just put your chairs, a little sofa, by this side. So you can, whatever you want to do with this space, game room, you're in family, something separate and private. Okay, so this is one of the rooms. This is children's room. So you have this window here, and also window over there. So it comes with a wardrobe, and all rooms are en suite. So this is the bathroom. So you have your WC, your Ocean sink, and your water heater. Okay, so let's check out the second room. So this is the second room. You have your bathroom by this side. Let's close the door. As you see, this is your shower area. So this is the room proper. I think this should be the kids' room, because that one is bigger than this room. So this should be the kids' room. So you have your wardrobe over there. There's your wardrobe. Window close by, close to the wardrobe, and we have another window right here. So the room has two windows for cross ventilation and good lighting of the room. Okay, so we've seen the room on this wing. Let's see the other two rooms. So one room downstairs, 4 rooms upstairs. So this is the third room. You have your wardrobe by this side, and bathroom by this side. Okay, so let's see the last room in this floor. I guess this should be the master's bed. So you have your cabinet, your closets right here. So this angle is for your closets. So over here you have your bathroom, your double wash and basin. You have your shower area, then you have your bathtub there, a suspended PWC, and a transparent mirror window so you can see the room from the bathtub. Okay, so this is lovely, especially for couples. You know, your wife could be in the bathtub having a bubble bath while you're just having a shower over here, and you guys are just, you know, just how's the day, just talk, just communicate. Okay, so this is the room. Okay, so it comes with this beautiful suspended light. Have access to the balcony. See the environment right here. So you also have the wardrobe by this side as well. So you have space for your clothes, your shoes, and your bag. So you have wardrobe here, and you have the wardrobe facing the bathroom. Okay, so this house is in the market for 400 million naira. Comes with a building approval, the governor's consent, you know, and it's located right here in Orchid Road. So call the number by showing on your screen and let's get started. So till I come your way next time, thank you. God bless you.